Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. Y'all, did you see the latest news interview between Wolf Blitzer and Crazy Nancy? If you didn't see it, I'm going to put the link to that news report in the description box below. Be sure and go watch it. You do not want to miss this. This lady has lost it. She is gone off the deep end big time. I would just love to just be able to just, never mind. That grin on her face throughout this whole interview, somebody needs to wipe that grin off of her face. She thinks this whole thing with everybody suffering is funny. She thinks she's having the ultimate say on whether anything is passed or not is funny. This lady has lost her mind. She said in the interview, "We are not waiting till February. People are hurting now. People need help now." Well, wake up, woman. We have been waiting almost 6 months now, and it's all your fault. Y'all, have you ever been in a situation where everybody says something, you say one thing, everybody else is saying another thing, and they all say you're wrong? Well, if everybody else is saying you're wrong, common sense would tell you you're probably wrong. This lady does not understand this. How arrogant is she to think her opinion matters more than everybody else's in the world? This lady has lost her mind. She needs to be removed from office, and removed now. One way or the other, she needs to go. I have never met a woman that I hate more than Crazy Nancy. She has no place in public office at all. She needs to be locked up in a loony bin with padded walls so she don't hurt herself. And what's up with her teeth? Does she know what polygrip is? I guess all of her money goes to her vodka. But anyway, y'all watch this video. Try not to get too mad when you're watching the video, because I did. I'm a gentleman. I am a Southern gentleman. I do not believe in violence against women. That's all I'm going to say about that. I love you all. Please go watch the video for yourself. Draw your own conclusions. Until the next time, ciao.